friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I am gonna unbox my makeup kit that is amazing. So we'll open it one by one. So first of all, I am gonna open this one. It also comes with a brush, white colored, for blushing, these kind of stuff. So I am gonna open the small makeup kit, this one. Let's see. This is how it looks, and it has some eyes and a mouth. It's red colored and silver. It has so much. It even has a mirror, and it has eyeshadows, pink, all of the favorite colors of the rainbow. And these two are powders, this one and this one. These two are shaped as a cake, so I call them cake powder. And these are the same color. You can use it. Let me use some on my skin. It's like this. You want to be white like that. I'm already white. And it also comes with some eyeshadow. It also has blue, purple, red, and golden, black, brown, green, and again blue, purple, pink as well. And this is the makeup. Let's try some eyeshadow on. So which color should I choose? I think I'll go with this reddish pink. Let me use this reddish pink color on my hand. Kind of just a little bit. Now we'll close this one. This beautiful silver and red colored makeup set. And we'll open the big one now. Now I am gonna open this makeup set that has all of the stuff, and it kind of looks like this. And this is the front, this is the back, and we open it. This is amazing. Look, it has a red gem heart and these brown colored bows here, even a handle for easy carrying. Now let's open it up the same side. Whoa, friends, look at it. It also has a mirror. On side of it, some designs, some eyeshadows, lipsticks. I think this is a double-sided lipstick. This kind of lipstick, like, whoa, amazing. This is amazing lipstick. Let me try if it really works. Oh, amazing, it really works. Now let's try this one. That is a lipstick, Korean lipstick. It says lipstick on the cap as well. This is a bit fat and amazing. Let's close this. And we also have some nail polish here. Let's see how this works. I'll take the pink one. And this kind of shows like a silver, kind of. And it said on the box that it is removable. So you can, when it's dry, you can remove it like that. And we have all colors. We have red, blue, purple, and pink that I used. And we have some things down here. This nail file. You can use it to make your hands like stay still. Amazing. Well, you can fit your little one as well. Okay. Now let me see some other stuff. It also comes with something else. I think I should take this out first. This is how it looks. Let me take this. Now this is a nail file. You can use it to make your nails nice and curved. We have blush, a blush sponge for the blush, and a pink colored blush. Let's see the sides. First, we have lip gloss. We have pink, blue, yellow, purple, red, and orange. Red, orange, yellow. We don't have green actually. And this is a kind of a little girl. Whoa, friends, look at it. Amazing. We have these. We have a brush and we have blushing brushes. Also have lip gloss brush. Let's use the orange color. I think it doesn't show, but it's lip gloss. The other side. Ooh, this has all of the colors of the rainbow. Pink, you can also use pink, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, and purple. Amazing. And I think this is eyeshadow because this is the same eyeshadow, but a bit glittery. This kind of, I used the pink. And we have the same kind of brushes on this side. And now let's see this part. Oh, we have brush. We also have some cheeks, pink thing brush. This brush we can use for blushing. And what is this? This one, if you want to, you can use it for the glitter for the eyeshadow. And an eyeshadow brush again. This one is an eyebrow, and we have some other stuff over there. Let me see. A cool brush. Well, friends, look at this brush. Amazing. This is for eyebrows here and eyelashes. Eyelashes are cool. I like it. Let's put it back. And we also have, wow, amazing. This is the blush for this blushing. And we have all 4 colors of them: dark pink, normal pink, light pink, and peach. We have some glitter that is messed up. And now let me show you all of it, how it is to open. This one, this. This is quite big. Amazing, look at it. And this is amazing, all of the colors. Let me try these eyeshadows. I didn't try this color. Red. And these are all of the things that I showed you in this video. Makeup is for children. They want to do makeup as well. This is blue colored, and I will use use this makeup to get my dolls ready for their party, and I'll get ready with this makeup and this one for a party as well, for a birthday party, any kind of party, with only this makeup because I love this. If you like this makeup kit, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share to others, to your friends, anyone, so they can watch my makeup video and see how beautiful this is. This is blue color, amazing. So bye bye, see you in the next video with my dolls. Bye bye.